In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Google AdSense account in just about 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to refresh their AdSense details to ensure everything's up to date and functioning smoothly. First off, let's head over to the Google AdSense website. You can easily do this by searching for Google AdSense in your web browser or by following the link provided in the video description. Once you arrive at the site, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing your AdSense account. After clicking sign in, you'll be directed to a page where you need to enter your email address. It's important to use the email associated with your AdSense account. If you have multiple emails, make sure you choose the correct one. Once you've entered your email, click on next. Following that step, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Again, ensure you input the correct password that corresponds with the email address you've provided. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it following the instructions provided by Google. Once you've signed in successfully, navigate to the home page of your Google AdSense dashboard. Here you'll find various options, but we're interested in updating your account details today. Look for the account option, which you should find easily on your dashboard. After clicking on account, proceed to click on settings. This section houses all your account information, including the personal details you might want to update. To proceed with updating your personal information, find the appropriate link or button that leads you to the personal information settings. Within the personal information section, there's a subsection labeled personal settings. This is where you can manage and update essential details about your account. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll find the option for payments. This step is crucial for ensuring that your financial transactions related to AdSense are running smoothly. Click on Payments to access your payment settings. In the Payments section, you'll have another opportunity to click on Payments. It might seem like you're going in circles, but the interface design guides you through these steps to ensure you're precisely where you need to be for updating your information. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to update your payment information. This part is particularly important as it affects how you receive your earnings from AdSense. Ensure that your bank details or any other payment method you prefer are current and correctly entered. During this entire process, it might be helpful to have any necessary documents or information by your side, especially when updating the payment information. This would include bank account details, tax information, or any other pertinent details that might need verification. Remember, keeping your Google AdSense account information up to date is crucial, not just for security reasons, but also to ensure that your monetization efforts are fruitful and uninterrupted. By frequently checking and updating your account details, you safeguard your data and ensure a smooth AdSense experience. In conclusion, updating your Google AdSense doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your account information is current, allowing you to focus more on creating content and less on administrative tasks. Thank you for watching this tutorial on updating your Google AdSense account. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful guides and tips to maximize your online presence and revenue generation. See you in the next video.